Hi there, I'd like to introduce the RiteFit Rails modular 38mm system. What's the beauty of this system? The beauty is that it's modular, you can take it out on the site and you can build it on site without having any impositions as far as wrong sizing of a pre-fabricated rail is concerned. I'd like to show just a couple of highlighted parts of this system. The main thing is that we were talking initially about the vertical legs. It's a vertical leg system with a diagonal and a horizontal system, all linked together by special parts, and that makes it so easy to actually do on site. So some of the parts we'd like to highlight. On the flanges, we have 6 holes that fix it to the ground. We have bends designed as a bend without substituting any other product. We have different types of fixing for the horizontal rails to match in with the vertical legs. In this situation, we have a rail on plate model where you get full movement of your hand over the rail. The other version that we have here, we have a version where we have a multi-purpose adapter which goes into the leg, and you have a ring where the rail goes through, and it's your choice in the end. Whatever suits you best, you use. We have standard standard hook ends. We have different style of hook ends with these more home-based, better looking ones, more made for the residential market. We have adapters which will actually transgress you from a horizontal to a diagonal aspect, and the beauty of this thing is that it's good on the hand there as well. Your hand just slides over it very smoothly. Other features, we have a mid-rail component. You can do it without the mid-rail there as well, and even on this mid-rail component you can drop that down to make it into a curb rail. So there's some of the basic aspects of this system. The beauty for you is that it's easy to build on site, and the way that it actually goes together, the simplicity of the system, the amount of parts that's used there as well, and all in all, you'll find RiteFit Rails a great result for your job.